Today, I'll be showing you how to join groups in Instagram. So, let's get started. First things first, head over to Instagram official website or open Instagram app. Log into your account, and once you're in, you will see your homepage. On the upper right, click on message icon. On the search bar, type the group name where you wanted to join. Let's say we would like to join in job seekers group. So type in jobs and choose from relevant results. Now, let's say this one. Alright? So click join button, then you can now see posts and receive notification. Take note that you can only join groups to public group, and for private group chats, you will need to send a request first. Alright? So let's have to join groups in Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.